I love these things because they just run so nicely on the rails. This is a 96-inch. Very hard to get to where people are because nobody's doing anything. Everything is getting canceled. It's just changed everything. With more time home and no place to go, been spending a lot of time building this new layout. It was great that Brian from Model Rail Scene stopped by, and he got my layout going with fixing my lift bridge. Yeah, he came down, he put together my lift bridge, he got the track lighting fixed for me, and he opened up a whole new world. And then I started thinking that, well, you know, what's on the rails, it's just hard to get around and to see people and to do stories. But then I thought, well, look what's happening here. I got so much going on here. I'm playing. I'm home. There are stories coming from everywhere here. But in the meantime, I'm having fun with this.